Good morning, children. I hope you are all fine with the grace of Almighty and hope that all of you are taking very good care of yourself and family. Welcome to second session, Social Studies, Paper 2, Chapter 12, Democratic and Nationalist Revolutions, 17th, 18th, and 19th centuries. Let us have a quick recap. We got the meaning of modern world, evolution of modern world, and understand the concept of globalization and what changes has been occurring in the modern world. Let us start the lesson. Revolution. The definition which I have given in last session is revolution is a sudden and a grand change in any particular field, like industrial revolution, democratic revolution, and scientific revolution. These revolutions leads to the colonization. Colonization occurs when a country or a nation takes control of other lands, regions, or territories of its borders. This led to a forced transformation of the lives of the people living in these countries. During the last few centuries, few countries tried to conquer and exploit other countries of the world. For example, India became a colony of a distant European country, Great Britain. Other European countries like France, Holland, Spain, etc., gained control over most of Africa, Asia, South and North America. The people of the colonies fought for freedom, and much of modern world is the history of their struggles in all countries of the world. The poor and the deprived people have been fighting for equal rights, opportunities, and share in the wealth created by human labor. Early modern period. The period between 1450 to 1750 is generally called the early modern period. Many features had begun to develop in different parts of the world much before that. For example, traders of India, China, Arabia, etc. were carrying goods by sea route to each other countries for a very long time. But around 1492, an Italian explorer, Christopher Columbus, reached South America and effectively discovered a continent which is unknown to most Europeans till then. This opened the way for colonization of South and North America. Vasco da Gama, a Portuguese sailor, worked out a sea route to India by going around Africa in 1498. This opened the way for European ships to trade not only with different parts of Africa and India but also go all the way up to China by sea. The early modern period was also the time when major advances were made in science. What is a meaning of science? Science means the systematic study of the structure and behavior of natural world through observation and experiment, especially in the fields of astronomy, mathematics, philosophy, etc. During this time, the observations and calculations made by scientists of China, India, Arab countries, and Europe were compiled and studied. After years of hard work, great scientists like Galileo arrived at the conclusion that the sun was the center of the solar system and planets like the earth went around it. Another very famous scientist. He was an English mathematician, physicist, astronomer, theologian. Theologian means someone who studies the nature of God, religion, and religious beliefs. And author who is widely recognized as one of the most influential scientists of all the time and as a key figure in the scientific revolution. Did you get the name, children? Did you have any idea that who is this person? This one is Sir Isaac Newton. Now, as this chapter is having most of the terminologies, you have to go very gradually. What we have learned in this session, we learn what is colonization, what is early modern period. We came to know about the explorers, especially Christopher Columbus, Vasco da Gama, and about the famous scientists like Galileo and Newton in science field. Let us have a home assignment, children. You have to locate the given places in the world map. In paper 2, mostly you have to be thorough yourself in a world map. So today's homework is you have to locate these places: Italy, Portugal, Africa, Turkey, Iran, and China. Thank you.